Hello individuals, and welcome to a sort of different video than I normally do. I want to do a Minecraft Redstone tutorial. We'll be showing you how to build the thing behind me, also known as a TNT fireworks. Redstone TNT fireworks. Let's do that. So for a little bit of testing to see how this thing works, just flick the lever once and TNT pops out. It's pretty much your first version of fireworks. It's pretty basic. I'm pretty sure anyone with any sort of redstone credibility. So what you're going to need is a block of choice, a form of wall or fence, doesn't matter. You're going to need 4 dispensers, redstone torches, 2 redstone repeaters, and 1 lever or button. Doesn't matter. I just like to prefer lever. You're also going to need at least 4 buckets of water. No, 4 buckets of water. Let's just start with the basic outline without the dispensers. What we're going to need is pretty much these corners to be filled. Well, yes. And then put 1 where a dispenser would normally go. Put the dispensers in each of the empty holes. And then put the wall/fence in the middle. And put water in every corner. Then put redstone all along this area right here, without the dispensers. And then put 2 redstone here, redstone on top of all of the dispensers. Once you have that done, put 2 redstone there and a lever. That'll be your lever mechanism. Then put 1 torch. I preferably would flick the lever off during this next part, but it's your decision. Make it 1 more taller than what I have currently. So you want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 redstone torches tall. Then put 2 random blocks, 1 dispenser, 1 piece of redstone on top, and 2 repeaters. I like to set mine to 8 ticks, cause I find that to be the most explosive. Then get rid of all your blocks, unless you're in survival, and get exactly 4 TNT. Well, stacks, or 2, 4 stacks, I don't know. Just then put all the TNT in the dispensers. And there you have it. That is the redstone operated TNT fireworks. If you just flick the lever or press the button, you will see it works. In its first try. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Do all the things that everyone is telling you to do. The liking, the subscribing, and the commenting. I will be returning to my normal animated videos, but I decided, I'll just try something new. If this does semi-okay, I'll just do some more semi-redstone, occasional redstone videos, and command videos. Just Minecraft in general. That's it for now. Goodbye.